Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to read The Pedestrian by Ray Bradbury. Ray Bradbury was born on August 22, 1920. Okay, and he is best known for his highly imaginative short stories and novels. This story was written in 1951, and this story imagines how the world would be by the year 2053. Okay, let's start the story now. To enter out into that silence that was the city at 8 o'clock of a misty means foggy evening in November, to put out your feet about that buckling means collapsing, crumpling. Concrete walk to step over grassy seams means junctions or joints, and make your way, hands in pockets, through the silences. That was what Mr. Leonard Mead most dearly loved to do. Mr. Leonard Mead is the protagonist of the story, and he loved to walk on foggy evenings, on very misty evenings in November. Uh, and he put his feet on buckling concrete walks, and he stepped over the grassy seams also. He had his hands in pockets, and through the silences of the evening, he loved to walk. He would stand up on the corner of an intersection. Intersection means a corner, and peer down. Peer down means look down. Long moonlit avenues of a sidewalk in four directions. और चारों तरफ वो देखता था intersection पे खड़ा होके. He looked the moonlit avenues, and he decided which way to go. Deciding which way to go, but it really made no difference. पर जिस मर्जी तरफ वो चला जाए, इसका कोई भी difference नहीं था. All the sides were equal to him. He was alone in this world of AD 2053, and he looked like as if he was alone in the world, for as good as alone. And with his final decision made, a path selected, he would stride off. Stride off means walk away with long steps. और जब उसने अपना डिसीजन ले लिया कि किस साइड पे जाना है, then he walked away with long steps, sending patrons of a frosty air before him like the smoke of a cigar. Because it was very cold night, and when he was exhaling, there was a frosty air before him, and it looked like smoke of a cigar. Sometimes he would walk for hours and miles and return only at midnight to his house. And on his way, he would see the cottages and homes with their dark windows. And it was not unequal to walking through a graveyard where only the faintest glimmers mean gleams, flashes of a firefly light appeared in flickers also flashes behind the windows. एंड कभी कभी तो वो मीलों चलता और घंटों तक चलता ही रहता, आधी रात तक. और रास्ते में क्या क्या उसको दिखाई देता, कॉटेजेस एंड होम्स विद देयर डार्क विंडोज, एंड इट लुक्ड लाइक दे लुक्ड सिमिलर टू द ग्रेव यार्ड. ठीक है, ऐसा ग्रेव यार्ड. यहाँ पे सिर्फ वो फायरफ्लाई दिखाई देती है. Okay. Sudden grey phantoms seem to manifest. Manifest means show clearly upon inner room walls. और कभी कभी तो वहाँ पे वो जो घर थे, वहाँ पे टूम लाइक बिल्डिंग्स थे, वहाँ पे इनर रूम्स पे फैंटम्स लाइक फिगर्स थे. वेयर अ कर्टन वॉज स्टिल अनड्रॉन अगेंस्ट द नाइट. जब कभी वो कर्टन्स अनड्रॉन रहते थे, तब वो फैंटम लाइक फिगर्स शो होती थी. और देयर वर विस्परिंग्स एंड मर्मर्स वेयर अ विंडो इन अ टूम लाइक बिल्डिंग वॉज स्टिल ओपन. और कभी कभी जब किसी घर की, किसी टूम लाइक बिल्डिंग की खिड़की खुली रहती थी, वहाँ पे वो हल्की हल्की विस्परिंग्स और मर्मर्स, छोटी छोटी आवाज़ वो आती रहती थी. Mr. Leonard Mead would pause, cock his head. Cock his head means turned in a particular direction. Listen, look and march on. और तब वो लियोनार्ड मीड वहाँ पे रुकता, अपना हेड टर्न करता, कुछ सुनता, देखता और फिर आगे बढ़ जाता. His feet making no noise on the lumpy walk. ठीक है, हैवी मूवमेंट वाली हैवी वॉक थी. Then also his feet made no noise there. For long ago, He had wisely changed to sneakers when strolling at night. क्यों नहीं आवाज आती थी फीट की? Because he had changed his shoes into sneakers. Because the dogs in intermittent means that is stopping at short intervals would parallel his journey with the barkings if he wore hard heels. क्योंकि अगर वो hard heels वाले shoes पहनता तो जो dog हैं वो उसके parallel चलने लगते and they could bark and the lights might click on and face appear and an entire street be startled. Startled means disturbed by the passing of a long figure himself in the early November evening. अगर ऐसा होता तो वहाँ पे लोग फिर देखने लग जाते, faces could appear and the whole street could be startled, it could be disturbed. On this particular evening he began his journey in a westerly direction, or this particular evening he started his walk toward westerly direction toward the hidden sea. There was a good crystal frost in the air because it was very cold night, so there were crystals of frost. It cut the nose and made the lung blaze. Blaze means burn with the bright flames, like a Christmas tree inside. Now he is comparing his lungs with a Christmas tree. जैसे क्रिसमस ट्री को डेकोरेट करते हैं विद लाइट्स, ठीक है, तो वो लाइट्स कभी जलती हैं कभी बुझती हैं, ऑन ऑफ होती हैं. You could feel the cold light going on and off. All the branches filled with invisible snow. In the same way, when he is inhaling and exhaling, okay, he could feel that his lungs, okay, they are getting off and on. He listened to the faint push of his soft shoes through the autumn leaves with satisfaction and whistled the cold, quiet whistle between his teeth, occasionally picking up a leaf as he passed, examining its skeletal pattern in the infrequent lamplights as he went on, smelling its rusty smell. Now, while going, what these are the activities he is doing. He is listening to that push of his soft shoes, okay, because it is the autumn season and the leaves are dried, and then he is whistling also, and sometimes he picks that a dried leaf and he checks or examines its skeletal pattern and smells its rusty smell also. Hello in there, he whispered to every house on every side as he moved. Okay? Or he is talking to the houses now while walking. What's up tonight on channel 4, channel 7 and channel 9, as if he is talking to the people. And what he is asking, because TV would be famous, and he is asking the people that what is going on channel number on TV, okay, on channel number 7, 4 or 9. Where are the cowboys rushing? और किसी सीरियल में किसी टीवी शो में कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं cowboys? And do I see the United States cavalry over the next hill to the rescue? And what is there in the news? Is that the United States cavalry going to rescue over the next hill? The street was silent and long and empty, with only his shadow moving like a shadow of a hawk in the mid country. And he feels like as if he is alone. Okay, he compares himself now with the shadow of a hawk in the mid country. If he closed his eyes and stood very still and frozen, he would imagine himself upon the center of a plain, a wintry, a windless Arizona desert with no house in 1,000 miles. And he is feeling as if he is walking on a wintry, a plain center, windless Arizona desert, और जहाँ पे कोई भी घर नहीं है 1,000 miles में, and only dry river beds, the streets for company, और ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे सिर्फ dry river bed, the streets for company. For it is now, he asked the houses, noticing his wristwatch, 8:30 p.m. और खुद ही अपनी घड़ी देखता है और खुद ही आंसर देता है कि क्या टाइम है, 8:30. 8:30 is the time for dozen mixed murders, not actual murders, but this is the time for different kinds of TV shows. It could be a murder, it could be a quiz, it could be a review. Review means a theatrical performance dealing with topical issues. A comedian falling off the stage, or maybe it is the time for a time of a comedy show. Was that a murmur of laughter from within a moon white house? And then he imagines that maybe there was a murmur of laughter from a moon white house. He hesitated, then he hesitated some time, and but went on. But again he started his walking when nothing more happened. He stumbled over a particular, stumbled means ladkhada jana, and then he stumbled over a particular uneven section of sidewalk. Sidewalk पे uneven था, path जो था वो एक section जो था वो uneven था, and because of that he stumbled over there. The cement was vanishing under flowers and grass, and because grass and flowers were taking place, the cement was vanishing, it was disappearing. In 10 years of walking by day and night for thousands of miles, he had never met another person walking, not once इन ऑल दैट टाइम. और इतने सालों की वॉक, इतने 1000 माइल्स की वॉक उसने की, पर उसको कभी भी कोई और पर्सन वहाँ पे वॉक करता दिखाई नहीं दिया. He came to a cloverleaf intersection. Cloverleaf intersection means a road arrangement devised for smooth traffic. Okay, it resembles a four-leaf clover. Okay, it looked like this. Okay, two highways were crossing each other, and these could resemble leaves. And then he came to a cloverleaf intersection which stood silent, where two main highways crossed the town. Okay, two main highways were crossing the town. During the day, it was thunderous surge of cars. Surge means there was strong and sudden movement of cars. Daytime में the gas stations open, a great insect rustling, और जो कारों की आवाज़ थी it could resemble insect rustling. A ceaseless means जो stop नहीं हो, रुकने नहीं वाली. Jockeying means competing for position, and it seemed as if cars were competing with each other for position, as a scarab beetles. And here the author is comparing those cars with the scarab beetles. Scarab beetles are a kind of beetle that lay eggs in dung. A faint incense sputtering from their exhaust skimmed homeward to the far directions. And puttering means kicking around. Skimmed means moved quickly, and they were exhaling. There was a faint incense, a kind of smell was there when all these cars were moving quickly to their directions. But now these highways too were like streams in dry season. और इस टाइम पे, रात के टाइम पे, ये जो रोड्स थी वो भी ऐसी लग रही थी जैसे कि ड्राई सीजन में स्ट्रीम्स हैं. ऑल स्टोन एंड बेड एंड मून रेडियंस, और वहाँ पे सिर्फ स्टोन दिखाई दे रहे थे, एंड एज इफ देयर वाज अ ड्राइड बेड, and there was radiance shine of moon. He turned back on a side street, circling around toward his home, and then he turned back on a side street, and then he moved towards his house. He was within a block of his destination when the lone car turned a corner quite suddenly and flashed a fierce white cone of light upon him. And then what happened? एक कार आती है वहाँ पे suddenly. He stood entranced means spellbound, और वो वहीं पे ऐसे ही खड़ा रह गया. Not unlike a night moth, and he was looking like a moth. जैसे एक moth जो है वो stunned होता है light की तरफ, and stunned by the illumination, and then drawn toward it, and then he started moving toward the car. A metallic voice called to him, and from inside the car there was a metallic voice, stand still. And उसको क्या बोला गया? सिर्फ still खड़े रहो, stand where you are, don't move. He halted, he stopped there only. योर हैंड्स अप और विल शूट। और उसको क्या अगला ऑर्डर मिला कि चाहो तो अपने हाथ ऊपर करो या फिर हम शूट करेंगे। द पुलिस ऑफ कोर्स, बट वट अ रेयर इनक्रेडिबल थिंग, इन अ सिटी ऑफ 3 million, 3 million मीन्स 30 lakh, देयर वॉज ओनली वन पुलिस कार लेफ्ट। वॉजन दैट करेक्ट? और इतने लोगों के लिए सिर्फ वहाँ पे एक ही पुलिस कार थी। फॉर सिंस अ ईयर अगो 2052 द इलेक्शन ईयर, क्योंकि एक साल पहले ही 2052 में इलेक्शन ईयर था। द फोर्स हैड बीन कट डाउन फ्रॉम 3 cars to 1, पहले 3 कारें थी, अभी उनको कट करके सिर्फ एक ही रहने दी थी। क्राइम वॉज एबिंग, एबिंग मीन्स इट वॉज बिकमिंग लेस। There was no need now for the police, save for this one lone wandering car and wandering the empty streets. सिर्फ एक ही कार थी and it was wandering over the in the empty streets. Your name, said the police car in a metallic whisper. और वहीं पे फिर आवाज़ आती है, metallic voice आती है, and it asked him his name. He couldn't see the men in it for the bright light in his eyes, क्योंकि उसकी आंखों में वो सीधी रोशनी जा रही थी कार की, and that is why he was not able to see inside the car. Leonard Mead, he said, speak up, Leonard Mead, business or profession? I guess you would call me a writer. And then the car asked him what his profession was, and he gave the answer that he was a writer. No profession, said the police car. ठीक है, जब उसने ये बताया कि वो राइटर था तो पुलिस कार ने अपने आप से बातें की, एंड देन ही सेड एज इफ टॉकिंग टू इटसेल्फ, इट सेड दैट नो प्रोफेशन। द लाइट हेल्ड हिम फिक्स्ड लाइक अ म्यूजियम स्पेसिमन, नीडल थ्रस्ट थ्रू चेस्ट। और नाउ ही इज कंपेयरिंग दैट लियोनार्ड मीड इज कंपेयरिंग हिमसेल्फ एज इफ अ म्यूजियम स्पेसिमन, जैसे किसी म्यूजियम में कोई स्पेसिमन पड़ा और वहाँ पे सारी लाइट जो है स्पॉटलाइट उस पर हो, एंड ही इज़ फिक्स्ड विद नीडल, ठीक है, जो उसकी चेस्ट के आर पार हो। यू माइट से दैट, सेड मिस्टर मीड, एंड देन ही सेड दैट येस यू कैन से दैट आई एम नॉट वर्किंग। ही हैडंट रिटर्न इन ईयर्स, क्योंकि सालों तक उसने कुछ लिखा ही नहीं था। मैगजीन्स और बुक्स डिडंट सेल एनी मोर, मैगजीन्स और बुक्स सेल ही नहीं हो रहे थे। एवरीथिंग वेंट ऑन इन द टूम लाइक हाउसेस एट नाइट नाउ, he thought, continuing his fancy means imagination, और अपनी imagination में वो सोचते जा रहा है। The tombs illit means dimly lit by television light, where the people sat like the dead, and what he is thinking that ये जो कम रोशनी वाले जो tomb like buildings हैं, वहाँ पे जो लोग हैं, they sat like dead people. The grey और multicolor लाइट्स टचिंग देयर फेसेस, और जो टीवी की स्क्रीन से ये जो ग्रे और मल्टी कलर्ड लाइट है वो उनके फेसेस पे पड़ती रहती है, बट नेवर रियली टचिंग दैम, मतलब दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर वाचिंग, ठीक है, सिर्फ देखते ही जा रहे हैं लाइक दैट पीपल। नो प्रोफेशन, सर द फोनोग्राफ वॉइस मीन्स कंप्यूटराइज्ड वॉइस, ओके, इट सेड दैट नो प्रोफेशन, बट आर यू डूइंग आउट, तो बाहर क्या कर रहे हो? वॉकिंग, सेड लियोनार्ड मीड, तो लियोनार्ड मीड ने बोला कि वॉक कर रहा हूँ। वॉकिंग, जस्ट वॉकिंग, ही सेड सिंपली, बट हिज फेस फेल्ट कोल्ड। और जब उसने ये बोला कि हाँ वो सिर्फ वॉक ही कर रहा है, तो उसका चेहरा ठंडा पड़ गया। वॉकिंग, जस्ट वॉकिंग, येस सर, वॉकिंग वेयर, फॉर वॉट? एंड देन मीड सेज दैट वॉकिंग फॉर एयर, वॉकिंग टू सी, एंड देन द कार आस्क्ड हिम हिज एड्रेस, योर एड्रेस, and what is his address? 11 South St. James Street. And there is air in your house? You have an air conditioner, Mr. Mead? And the car asks the next question, that do you have an air conditioner? Yes. And you have a viewing screen in your house to see with? And is there any screen through which you can have a view outside? No. There was a crackling quiet that in itself was an accusation. And then, are you married, Mr. Mead? And then Mr. Mead gives the answer that no, he is not married. Not married, said the police voice behind the fiery beam के पीछे कार ने बोला, not married. The moon was high and clear among the stars, and the houses were grey and silent. Okay, moon था and it was clear among the stars, and all the houses were grey and silent. Nobody wanted me, said Leonard maid with a smile. और maid ने क्या बोला कि मुझे कोई नहीं चाहता. Nobody wanted me. Don't speak unless you are spoken to. And then the car threatens him and it gives him instructions that जब तक बोला नहीं जाए, पूछा नहीं जाए, कुछ बोलो नहीं. Leonard maid waited in the cold night, just walking, Mr. Mead, and then the same question is asked to him that you are only walking, just walking, and the answer is yes. But you haven't explained for what purpose. पर तुमने अपना रीज़न नहीं बताया कि किस पर्पस से वॉक कर रहे थे. Explained. And then Mead gives the answer that yes, I have explained. I explained that he was walking for air and to see and just to walk. Have you done this often? क्या ये हमेशा ही करते हो? Every night for years. बहुत साल हो गए, हर रात. The police car sat in the center of the street with its radio throat faintly humming. And कार में से हल्की सी रेडियो की हमिंग साउंड आ रही है. Well, Mr. Mead said, is that all? He asked politely. बस इतना ही कहना था. Yes, said the voice. Here there was a sigh and then a pop. There was a sudden sound. Okay. The back door of the police car sprang wide. फिर कार का दरवाजा खुला and it said, get in. Wait a minute, I haven't done anything. Get in, I protest. Mr. Mead, he walked like a man suddenly drunk. ठीक है, कार ने उसको कार के अंदर जाने के लिए बोला and he started walking like a drunk man. As he passed the front window of the car, he looked in. फिर उसने जब पहला दरवाजा पास किया and then he looked inside the car. As he had expected, there was no one in the front seat because it was driverless car, robotic. No one in the car at all. Get in. He put his hand to the door and peered into the back seat. Then he looked into the back seat, which was a little cell. और ये jail की तरह था. Okay, it looked like a cell. A little black jail with the bars. Okay, with the bars. It was a proper jail. It smelled of riveted steel. Okay, riveted means it was made of rivets. Rivets means short metal pins. Okay, it smelled of harsh antiseptic. Okay, antiseptic की अंदर smell थी. It smelled too clean and hard and metallic. There was nothing soft there. ठीक है, सारा कुछ ही बहुत hard है और काफ़ी तेज smell है. Now, if you had a wife to give you an alibi means excuse, said the iron voice. But and then now the voice says that अगर शादी हुई होती, तुम्हारी wife होती, you could have an excuse. Where are you taking me? Then Mr. Mead asked the car that where are you taking me? The car hesitated, or rather gave a faint whirring click. And there was a sound as if information somewhere was dropping card by punch slotted card under electric eyes. And there was eyes as if electric eyes. And it felt like there was a card also. And some kind of information was dropping in it. To the Psychiatric Center for Research on Regressive Tendencies. Regressive means less developed condition, and the answer that was given to Mr. Mead that that the car was taking him to Psychiatric Center for research on a less developed condition. He got in. The door shut with a soft thud. हल्के से दरवाजा बंद हुआ. The police car rolled through the night avenues, flashing its dim lights ahead. They passed one house on one street. A moment later, one house in an entire city of houses that were dark. But this one particular house had all of its electric lights brightly lit. ठीक है, बाकी सारे घरों की dark है and it was brightly lit. Every window a loud yellow illumination, square and warm in the cool darkness. And ये किसका घर है? That's my house, said Leonard Mead. No one answered him. ठीक है, Leonard Mead चिल्लाया कि ये मेरा घर है. But no answer was given to him. The car moved down the empty river bed streets. And empty river bed street means जैसे dry season में कोई river है. At that time, at night time, streets were felt like that. ठीक है, वहाँ पे भी जैसे वो abandoned roads हैं. And off away and leaving the empty streets with empty sidewalks and no sound and no motion all the rest of the chill November night. ठीक है, कोई मोशन नहीं है, कोई आवाज़ नहीं, कोई हरकत नहीं है, एम्प्टी स्ट्रीट्स एम्प्टी साइड वॉक्स हैं सारी वो टिल द नवंबर नाइट को. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.